How is
So,
going on your day so far?
yeah, my day was very good and going very good. Actually,
Okay.
today I have taken bakery classes. So,
Bakery class.
yes,
I don't have idea, so can you describe what is the bakery classes?
bakery bake means होता है baking, जो चीजें bake होती हैं.
Okay, okay,
Yes, like a cake and cookies, pastry,
okay,
like this. Yes.
okay. So you are fond of making food.
Actually, I'm not fond of making food, but I have kids, so sometime like I make everything for home for my kids. But yeah,
Okay.
I
So,
I got opportunity to learn for, so I say okay, no problem. I can learn only 10 days classes going. So I say कि, okay, I learn.
okay. So while making food, do you upload and you record and then you upload your YouTube channel?
No, 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 no.
Okay, you don't make any video regarding this food.
No, actually, sometime I write down there on our notebook,
Okay, you
and
write down.
yeah.
Okay. And whenever you need, so that time you read and then you cook.
Cook, yeah. And sir also said ki whenever you need to, you call me and you ask.
Yeah. So, but you know that nowadays a YouTube channel, if you want to make, so you can search easily on a YouTube channel, then you can make. It's a easy
Yes,
process.
but but some tips they are not available in,
Okay.
like I made lots of time cake and each and everything, but it's not become good because I
Yeah.
not know very much deeply. And when you take any classes, so then you can learn each and everything deeply.
Okay. So this is a paid class. Yeah, it's a free of cost.
Yeah, paid class. I paid only
Okay.
400 rupees for 10 days.
Okay. For 10 days.
Yes.
So they give you tips and how you can make in easy process, and then you can, if you don't have any ingredients, so how you can make easily.
No, they give me everything, ingredient, oven, each and everything they can available there. So we made, and they teach also how to make, and then we taste how it is taste. Means each and everything they teach there.
Yeah, it's so good. So, okay, so we are meeting for the first time. So, first of all, please could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, of course. My name is Prarthana Sharma. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I had completed my graduation. I am married. I have two kids, both are son, and I am house
Okay,
manager. That's all about
uh,
me.
that's good.
So I want to know about you.
Okay, thanks for asking me. As you know, my name is Priyanka Gupta. I am a teacher. I teach in primary school. Also, I have one daughter, and I live in Greater Noida. It's about myself.
Okay. In Delhi.
Yeah,
Yeah, Great Noida
yeah,
in Delhi.
yeah,
Okay.
it's NCR.
Okay. Wow. It's very good. So how do you manage like your school, home, kids, each and everything?
Yeah, it's has been daily routine because uh, uh, already you know that I'm a teacher. I have a daughter, and as well as I'm running my YouTube channel. So it's
Yes.
not initial time when I started YouTube channel. So that time I was thinking that I don't have a time. So how uh, would I manage? But nowadays, yeah, I have to wake up early in the morning, around you can say 4 o'clock, and then
Yes.
I go to bed. It's too late. So
Late.
that's why, yeah, I manage everything very easily. But yeah, I have to sacrifice for my sleeping. So that's
Sleeping
why
time.
it's
Yeah.
not good. It's not good habits. You know that doing these things. So I had to face some health issues problem. So then I thought, no, I will not upload and I will not talk every person every day. I will not upload video every day. So between I think 2 to 3 months I didn't talk any person. I didn't upload any video on my YouTube channel. When I will quite good, then I started my YouTube channel. So whenever I get time, so I try to talk my viewers, my subscribers. So my
Mhm.
days and my life is going on very well nowadays.
Ye- Yes, yes, yes.
It
Okay.
depends on mind. If we think that we have no time, so how we can manage? And if any person can think, no, I will do this, definitely I will manage, only I will give for myself only 5 minutes, 10 minutes for learning English, yeah, uploading video. So yeah, I can do think only 1 hour, so it's will be fixed, so we can do easily. We have to fix
Yes,
our timetable, you can say. And that it
yes, yes.
was also I'm a teacher, so my every time is fixed. At what time I will go to my school, when I come back to my school, when I will come back to my school, and then after that what I will do. So everything is fixed. So that's why I don't have a face lots of problem regarding this.
Yes, you are right. You are right. Yeah.
And you know
Okay.
that also we are talking about food. So
Mm-hmm.
also I am fond of if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are also teaching, cooking, making videos. So I am fond of making food whenever. Also, I have a daughter already. I have told to you. So whenever she wants to say that, Mama, I want to eat food something. So, I don't take any classes. I search on YouTube channel, then I made for her. So I can make easily any type of dishes.
Actually, I also like this, but I got opportunity like here every ladies say, means they get gathered and everyone say ki okay, it's a very little amount, you can say very little amount, 400, and
No,
you can
400
learn
is very
lot
much.
of things. So it's only 1 hours we go there only. So
Okay,
it's
it's a
I think,
offline classes. You take offline
yeah,
classes.
offline
Okay,
classes.
yeah, it's a good for you. Yeah, offline classes, yeah, you can go and you can do everything yourself there. And
Yes,
if you will do any mistakes, so they will suggest to you directly. So yeah, it's a
yes,
good.
yeah. So that's why. Otherwise, I say no, no. I have not too much time. But my husband say no. If you have opportunities, so you can do. So I say okay, no problem. I do.
You know that when I started learning English, so that time I was thinking, how can I speak, how can I learn, because I don't have a time, because all time busy, my school was and I have a daughter, so how can I do this? I don't have a time, I will not do. But when I started YouTube channel, so I think, yeah, it's easy, because we
Yes.
started thinking before, I don't have a time, so how we can do this. But yeah, after starting we can do anything easily.
Yeah, we feel happy. We feel happy like making video uploading. And in initially day, like we face lots of problem because it take a lot of time to learning each and everything. But
Right.
when we upload 3 and 4 time, and when we do, so we feel easy. Yeah.
So how
Oh,
long have you been learning English?
I have been learning last 4 5 months.
Okay. So did you join any coaching class like offline or yeah online?
No, 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 no. I haven't joined any classes. I only learn from YouTube. In YouTube, everything available.
Online,
Like you told,
right.
yeah, so we can learn. I learn gradually. Like I have kids. I told you. So he also go to school every day. So whenever I teach them, so I learn with them. He is third standard. So yeah.
Okay. How old are they?
And my elder one is 8 year old, and younger one is 4 year old.
Okay. So both are go to school.
Both are go to school.
Okay. So whenever you have time, so you talk with them in English language, because already yeah they go to school in convent school.
Yes, Kendriya Vidyalaya. So yeah, it's like
KB.
a very good school, and it's English medium CBSE board. So they get environment, English environment there.
Yeah. And whenever you go to them school in for PTM, so do you talk with their teacher in English language? Yeah, Hindi language.
Hindi language, sometime like sometime English, sometime Hindi. Actually, I started last 5 months. Actually, last 5 months I didn't know very well English, so now I am comfortable. But like in beginning, I never feel comfortable. So at that time, I start speak Hindi. And yeah, these days I also try to speak English how much I can. Like whenever I go school, pick up my kids. So sometime I try to speak with their teacher in English, and yeah, they can talk with me.
Okay. So, did you join any any app nowadays? Lots of app for conversation as a audio call. You can talk and you can talk as a co-learner. So, do you use this type of any app?
Yes, I use only a Hybro app, but I didn't paid their money. I only use app for 5 days,
Okay,
and
so
otherwise, yeah, no, I didn't, because I not get too much time. So I only try to learn myself from YouTube. Lots of video on YouTube. So I take any teacher classes there, and like I learn how they teach each and everything. What is deeply, in initially day, I when I go for grammar, so that time I confused. Oh my God, because
yeah, we were same boat. Yeah, already I have told my lots of videos because also my grammar was zero when I started learning English. So that time I didn't have idea about grammar.
grammar,
But
yes,
yeah,
yeah.
but after practicing, yeah, we can understand and we can talk easily. So it depends on practice.
Yeah, it's depend on practice. So yeah, in initiality, I learned like I started speaking. That time I didn't know grammar. I just started like this with little sentences. Come here, go there, open your book. Man, like kids learn. And yeah, now I'm learning grammar, and I know rule a lot of grammar rule, like tenses rule. I know very well. Sometime I do
So
mistake, but it's clear only like a while talking how I can. So yeah, it's gradually improve.
yeah, it definitely will be improved. Yeah, we will do practice every day. So definitely we can improve. So okay.
And
You you know that when you started conversation with me, so that time you were saying that I was taking classes like cooking food. So I was thinking you uploaded that video. You made food, then you record and then you upload on your YouTube channel.
no, it's it's very hard work. Someone suggests me, like my sister suggests me, you can make like, a stitching video. I know very well stitching, how to make
Okay.
designer dresses, each and everything. But video making is a very difficult process. Like first we have to lot of things, then you put your camera, and if you have to buy good camera, means each and everything.
Yeah, I can understand very well because already you were
So
talking to me and
that's why
while conversing you have to face some problem. I can see already you have a two kids, so I understand very well how do you manage. And I have only one daughter, so so we have to face some
yeah,
problem yeah, regarding
they
learning English.
both are like, my elder one coming just is he came to his school, so that's why he baby. You can go.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
So actually we have talked 18 minutes, so do you want to continue? Yeah, we can wrap up.
Okay, as you wish, like whenever we our video going very long, so it's hard to download.
Yeah, and if you want to ask any questions, so you can ask, otherwise we can stop.
No, actually, I want to know, when you started your English learning journey. Actually,
Yeah,
I haven't watched your video.
okay. You know that 7 to 8 months ago, I started my YouTube channel. Already, I was say that we were same boat. I didn't have idea about this language. So when
Mhm.
I realized whenever I talked to any person as a face to face, so I did lots of mistake those days. So I
Yeah.
realized, and
Yeah.
also my husband, he suggested me, if you want to enhance your communication skills and if you want to remove your hesitation, so you should talk lots of person as a face to face. So I said that how is it possible that no person have nowadays more time and they can talk with me as a face to face. So he said me, okay, you can start your YouTube channel because it's a good opportunity for you. You can talk easily lots of stranger person and who wants to talk to you, so they will send to you message and easily you can talk with them. Then I
Yes.
started my YouTube channel, and yeah, nowadays lots of viewers, they watched my video and they send to me message and I talk with them easily. And as well as, yeah, everything is going on very well. And whenever I get time, so I talk.
Yeah. To co-learners, yes.
Yeah,
Because
with co-learners.
this group everyone available in any time. So if we have time, so we can message there and we can talk. Okay.
Right, right. Yeah, it's a good process because it's a free of cost. We can't,
Mhm.
spend lots of money regarding these. And also, while conversation, whenever we upload these videos, so lots of beginners who wants to learn English, where they think how we can start, how we can speak, because it's very difficult process because it's English.
Yes.
When we didn't know about this English language, so that time also I was thinking that it's very hard process. How
Hard
can I
process.
speak?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
I don't have idea about basic grammar. So how can I speak? It's a very difficult. While writing, I do lots of mistake. So while speaking, I will more mistake. And also I'm a teacher, so whenever I will speak any person, so what will think about me? She's a teacher, but she doesn't know how to speak in English, as she always use wrong sentence. But when I started learning English, then gradually my English is being improved, and yeah, within 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, yeah, I will speak well.
Speak
I
very
will not,
good.
yeah, because no one is a perfect. It's a language.
Yeah.
Also, our native language is Hindi. While
Yeah.
conversation Hindi language, lots of person we live in India country, but lots of person they use mistake. Yeah, they don't use in right words. I am talking
Yes.
about Hindi language. So it's an English language, and it's a, you can say, it's a, we know that it's our second language. It's a foreigner language. So definitely, while speaking, we have to do lots of hard work, and definitely we can
Yeah.
speak very
You
well.
can say second language, third language. Like first we are our native language, then mother tongue, then this
And
English is
yeah,
third language.
yeah, yeah. It's a third language. Yeah, it's right. You are right. So